very good morning to all of you, and thank you so much. And we are so much delighted today to welcome here English Speaking Center. And actually, it was today. It was a interacting session, and Alhamdulillah, our students, they have improved a lot, and they delivered speeches today, and they have performed in front of guests, and guests are mashallah satisfied. Thank you so much. So I, on behalf of me and my students, would like to thank from bottom of our hearts all the guests who arrived here and accepted our invitation and encouraged our students. And along with, I would like to thank all the students. Mashallah, your performances were beyond expectation, and Alhamdulillah, you performed here nicely. I am quite satisfied, and you are developing in English language, and I hope that your English will improve more and more. And if you learn, if you speak like this, I can guarantee, at least inshallah, within a few days, you can be a great speaker of English language. And if you speak like this, definitely you can communicate with the people across the world. Your accent, your pronunciation, and your fluency, everything, alhamdulillah, is improving. And inshallah, this mission will be continued. And offline classes were going on, and from tomorrow, we will start our online English speaking classes. So those who are eager or interested to join with us, so please, you can call me, you can connect, and you can comment and drop your comment here. Okay, we will try to communicate with you. And inshallah, online English spoken classes and personality development and soft skill trainings will be going on. Those who are interested, you can join. So all the teachers and parents are being requested. So please try to give your children and try to join your children with our spoken English mission. And inshallah, we have a designed and short course, and in light of this course, inshallah, within few days, a little boy also, any kind of student and any category of student can be expert English language, and he can overcome English language, alhamdulillah. And at last, again, I would like to thank you, all of you. Thank you so much.
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। আজ আমরা ইংলিশ স্পোকেন সেন্টারে উপস্থিত হয়ে এখানের ছাত্রদের প্রদর্শনী দেখে অত্যন্ত আনন্দিত। আমি সর্বপ্রথম ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি এই সেন্টারের গাইড টিচার মৌলানা আব্দুল হাফিজ কাসিমি স্যারকে। ওনার প্রচেষ্টায় আজ অনেক ছাত্র খুব ভালো প্রদর্শন করেছে। আমরা আশা রাখি যে এইসব ছাত্র ভবিষ্যতে আমাদের এলাকার প্রতিনিধিত্ব করবে বিভিন্ন প্ল্যাটফর্মে। এবং আমাদের এখানে আজ বরাককণ্ঠ পরিবারের প্রতিনিধিবর্গ, বিশেষত বরাককণ্ঠের ডাইরেক্টর ফয়জুল আনাম ভাই উপস্থিত হয়েও আমাদের ছাত্রদেরকে উৎসাহিত করেছেন। আমি নিজে এখানে উপস্থিত হয়ে অত্যন্ত আনন্দিত হয়েছি। আমি এই সেন্টারের উত্তরোত্তর উন্নতি কামনা করছি। ধন্যবাদ।